Alright, just got home from the mall, and ew, why am I talking to you? I don't say, ew, it's fucking cold. I hate making videos, so I don't know what to say. You want to see what I wore today? Alright, wore the scarf. Oh, I'm such a fucking retard. Why am I doing this? But this North Face and this with Under Armour and these jeans. Okay. And these Jordans. Look how small my feet are. A 3. Yo, I got baby feet. Now stop, I can't dance, remember? I'm not a good dancer. Okay. I think I'm done here because I'm making a fool of myself. I'm so pissed that Facebook didn't make me make my video. So I have to do on this shit. My lady, my baby.